here is an app called GIO AI Headshot Art Generator. So let's just install it and take a look how it works, how much does it cost, etc. This app is being built by Prequel app. You know, Prequel is quite famous studio. And like a lot of these, app studios, app brands right now are trying to all have their own AI art generators, or headshots, better to say. So yeah, let's see how you can use this app. And so you can just open it up, and that's the app. Then you can just see to create these professional photos, dozens of styles, instant boost. And then yeah, you can select to have your plan. There is weekly plan, there is yearly plan, only $30 per year, which seems quite cheap. And then yeah, let's check it out. So for example, this is it, and then I just want to select selfie, and then I just, all right, this is my selfie. And then here you can also generate different styles. There is this yearbook filter which is going viral right now, and then unfortunately you still need to upgrade if you wanted to generate a still yearbook or some other filter, and then you don't want to pay monthly price. You still can just pay a one-time fee, like for 20 pics you can just pay $2, which seems to be like one of the cheapest offers right now at this point. So yeah, that's basically what it is. And then you also have office, corporate. So for example, if you want to brush up your photo and generate some kind of photo for your LinkedIn profile, for your CV maybe, that's where you can use this app. And it's cool that they offer you like, not just like 20, like not just like 50 or 100 pics, which is more expensive, but also like they're offering you like 20 images for like $2. So yeah, that's just where you have them. So yeah, that's basically the idea. And then you'll be able to generate. This seems like a pretty good offer because in my experience, other apps are more expensive. For example, Epic app, you can generate 50 photos, but then you need to pay like at least $4 or like $6, something like that. Here you can just get 20 and pay $2, but you just decide. Sometimes it just depends on the quality of AI model. Sometimes you don't expect to use 20 of those, or don't expect that 20 of this 20 will be good. In my experience, if you order like 50 AI avatars, maybe like 10% will be good. So like 5 will be actually quite good. Like recently this percentage going up, so maybe out of 50 you can use 10, 8. AI is still not perfect, so like if you order in 20, maybe it can be like like 2 or 3 good photos which can actually be usable and which are quite similar to your original face and look quite professional. So yeah, that's basically the process, and that's how you can proceed, and that's how you see your profile here. And you don't even need to create an account. As you can see, you can just, if you want, you can always just continue with Apple and create your account there.